Bluegill. All right, we're out here, Lake Norman, searching for Normie, the sea monster of Lake Norman. But actually, just kidding. We're out here fishing for some bluegill, and just want to say thanks for tuning in. We're out here kind of late day fishing. It's spring 2023, and we're after the crappie, or excuse me, the bluegill, and some crappie if we can find any of them. Been cruising around the lake, and got some major fishing action heading your way. This is my brother Pat.
Hello, everybody.
Welcome to the show. How's it been so far?
Excellent. Beautiful day. Love it.
Good stuff, right?
Yep. Here visiting my brother, and he brought me out fishing.
And
having a few yanglings.
Great.
And drowning some worms.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
It's bass. No, it's bluegill.
Yep.
Nice.
Hell, I wasn't even out there 30 seconds. These are nice fish, man.
Yeah. Nice,
Okay, my
dude.
turn. Take a picture.
Come closer. I'm stuck here with this rod. Nice, dude. That'll work. Nice. Go in the cooler. Well, we're eating fresh fish tonight. Your turn, Megs. We got Magster here.
Hey,
What's going on?
nothing much.
Have you caught any fish yet?
No, I've gotten a bite, lost it twice.
2 times. Gets the blood going though, right?
Definitely. I mean, it's getting pretty close. Yeah.
She had a monster on and it broke off. We weren't rolling then. But hopefully she'll redeem herself with a huge bluegill.
I hope.
All right, Pat's on.
Oh, nice one.
Pat's on.
Scooper. Get the scoop, bud.
I'm filming.
Are you?
Yeah. Nice, dude.
Keep them in the water, bud.
Maggie, can you find the net?
Oh, yeah.
Can you find the net?
Right here. I got it.
Nice. Pat, leaderboard.
What? Oh, sorry, with the F-bombs. Oh, he swallowed her.
Yeah. Nice, dude. Hee-hoo. All right, there's a point. There's a shoal marker right there. And it runs out here, kind of where my rod tip is, but out there and then back around and loops back in for this marina. And I'm trying to fish this point out here and see what happens. All right, got one on here. Another bluegill. Nice one. Woohoo! Oh yeah, look at the size of this one. Decent.
Beautiful, dude. Awesome. Look at how yellow it is.
Yeah, it's yellow belly.
Yellow belly that time of year or something, or what?
Settle down, buddy. No, it's just he swallowed it too.
Yeah? Excellent, Dan. Excellent.
Oh, you little snooker.
No swearing.
All right, here we go. You.
Excellent, Dan.
Not bad, huh?
Do it tomorrow.
Do it again.
All right, here we go. Here we go. The 4 bluegill today. We're gonna clean them up and try them out. Never had bluegill.
Give it a shot.
All right, we're just gonna scale them here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna scale them and then just fillet them and just cook them in the oven. And it's my first time ever dealing with bluegill before. I've never eaten bluegill, so I thought we'd give it a try today. Something a little different. But let's use a spoon, and the scales come right off. See where those rib cages and the pin bones are, you can kind of just peel it back. They're not huge fillets, but that's why we're cooking it skin side on, so we don't lose any of the meat. And there you have it. And take these pin bones out right here. And no one likes bones in their fish, so we'll take those out and just get a little fillet here. A little tough with the skin still on it, so there we go. 1 bluegill fillet. That's how you do it, folks. All right, so we got the bluegill fillets, and what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna dry these off real quick. And we kind of took all the pin bones out, hopefully. We're just gonna pat these dry and get these on here real quick. That way, when they cook, those cook nice and evenly. Skin will get a little crispy, even though we're not eating the skin. It's just a nice added. You know, it kind of helps the meat kind of get off of there a little bit. We're just gonna dry these off here, and like that. All right, just gonna hit this with a little spray, and we'll get these on here and skin side down. And we'll get some seasoning on them and get them in the oven. Normally I put them on the smoker, but just for this small little bite, I did not want to just fire up the smoker just for this little bit. So we're gonna throw them in the oven, and we'll hit them with a little salt. Actually my first time ever having bluegill. I'm gonna do some lemon pepper seasoning on them. Just keep it real simple so we can get the real flavor of the fish here. I've never eaten bluegill before, believe it or not. Growing up in Michigan, we catch them all the time, but we throw them back. And I don't know, but we're gonna get these in the oven now. There we go. I'm guessing they'll take about 10 minutes, and we'll see you on the flip side. Alrighty, folks. Realized when we started cooking the fish that we really didn't have much to work with as far as side items, so we're doing a little mac and cheese tonight. And we're getting ready to pull the fish out, rolling at 350 degrees, and we're just about there. And let them go just a little bit longer. All right, guys, we had this in here for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. That's what the fish looks like. And set it down here, and we'll get this served up and do the taste test. Alrighty, folks. Normally this is the part where we do the taste test, and we did the taste test. And believe it or not, I took pictures of it, not video. So, but we all could agree, right, Maggie? Mm-hmm. That the bluegill was very tasty. Nice and clean tasting fish. It was firm, flaky, had a texture of, I would say, like chicken, but obviously tasted a lot better than chicken, at least in my opinion. And, but I'm really sorry, folks, that I did not get the video of us tasting it, the reveal, if you will. But, you know, things happen. So, but anyways, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you see fit with my videos. I'll have some more things coming. I think I'm heading to down to St. Augustine, Florida next week. So I should have some saltwater action coming your way. So stay tuned for that. Hit the notification button, and you won't be able to miss a second of it when I post it. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and you stay fishy.